What's going on, guys? We have this 2011 Honda Civic, and well, as many as you have the same issue with the armrest being like this, well, I have a solution for you. So this is the broken one, and we have a replacement right here, brand new, that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description where you can get this. And well, this is the tricky way where a lot of people put this wrong and they can't figure it out how to put it. So you have to put this, you gotta first take the pin out first, and then you're gonna have your spring right here. So what most people do is they install this thing first and they put it like this, and they leave the spring hanging right here. So that's wrong. That's not the right way. The right way is with this spring facing that way inside right here, and you have a guide that goes in there, as you can see. So the correct way to put this is you're gonna tilt it down like this, hopefully I can see, and you're gonna slide it in and then lift it and push it in. And you gotta be careful with this when you push it in. Be careful not to hit it, because if it gets really hard, then it will not go in. But just squeeze it in and you'll be good to go. All right, hope this helps.